Who's helping Mommy do the dishes? Brayden, are you helping Mommy? Thank you. Yeah, put those spoons away. Get all those spoons and put them in the drawer. We gotta get those things away. We're working around this joint. Yeah, I gotta do these dishes. He's 16 months and this is his job to put the baby spoons away. Good boy. I guess that one goes on the floor, but the rest of them, that one must have still been dirty. Yeah, you're inspecting those, aren't ya? Okay, put them in the drawer. Good boy! Yay! What a good little helper you are. Are there any more in there? Yeah, you better take it out and make sure. Are there any more in there? Careful, don't hit your head now. You see any more in there? Oh, there are some more. Better put them in the drawer. You're helping out, aren't you? Big boy. There you go. Good job. Yay. I think that's it. Oh, there's that one you dropped. It's clean now. Yeah, put that one in there too. Yay! Big boy! Yay! You're silly! You're silly! Boom. Okay, can you go close the dishwasher? Go close the dishwasher. Camera lenses are for mommies. Can you go close the dishwasher? Go close it. Go close it. Good boy. Yeah, let's get this thing finished up here. Good job. That's my boy. Good boy. Careful of the fingers. What a good worker you are. Oh, you're going to check it? Make sure there's no more? Down, up. Up. Down. Down, down, down. 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 What are you doing now? Huh? M. 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 What are you doing? What are you doing, silly Willy? You're doing your little smile, aren't you? Where are you going now? Oh yeah, that's the trash can. That's for dirty stuff. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good boy. Okay.